If you're new to Samsung or Android phone, then getting to know the phone is very important, especially when you're switching from maybe an iPhone to Samsung. This can be very useful. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to learn about using the Android or Samsung phone. So what you want to do, just simply go to settings by swiping up, type in settings here, and click on the settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you'll find tips and user guide. Tap on that. Now here, what's going to happen whenever there's a new feature rolled out, you will also find those shown here, and you can learn about them if you click on those, and you can also swipe across to find various information how those new features work. However, if you scroll down, you can find lots of user guides that show you how to use your Android or Samsung phone. So you are from the basic features, settings and personalization, apps and productivity, pictures and videos, security and privacy, connected devices, digital lifestyle, and so forth. If you go in, for example, on the basic features, you can tap on that and you'll find lots of information that will teach you how to use your phone. So if you're new to the phone, guys, go ahead and check out these. And if you're also an experienced user and you don't know everything about how to use a phone, this can be very helpful for you to learn how to use Android or Samsung Galaxy phone, because it has quite a lot of different user guides and tips and tricks how to use a phone so that you can become a pro at using Samsung or Android phone. Very easy and very simple.